Hey there, hope you're doing well. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name's Emmanuel and I'm one of the guys behind VidX, happy to help you with any issues or creative problems that you may be having. In this video, I just wanted to do a full run through of exactly how to use our platform so you don't have any confusions once you jump on board with us. So I'll dive straight into the platform and start showing you around. So when you first log into VidX, this is exactly what you're going to be able to see. You're going to have a small video that you can watch and learn a little bit more about exactly what the process looks like for creating an ad, from requesting an ad to selecting your plan to also tracking your progress, and also how to request revisions as well. Within the dashboard, you have absolutely everything that you need in order to get your ad created and ready to run on your ads or organically on social media. And it ultimately starts with the onboarding form. This is, for us, our way to understand exactly what you need from us, and we're able to serve you and cater to you in the best way. So try and fill out that onboarding form to the best of your ability. And then we've also got open tickets as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're around 24/7, ready to answer any questions that you may have. So shoot us across a ticket. If you have a problem, let us know and we'll sort that out for you as soon as we possibly can. But you can track these open tickets within the dashboard here very easily as well. And then also tracking recent orders also. So here's an example of 2 completed orders. You can easily watch how your creative is sort of progressing within the status bar here. You're going to go through essentially us sourcing video content for you, to then editing, to then us seeking revisions, and then setting it down as complete as well. So that's a very, very straightforward process in which you can essentially track and watch daily in here very simply. And once the order is ready, you literally just click on this link here. It's going to take you directly to your creative, in which you can then view, download, and go live with. And here is an example of what a completed ad creative request will look like. It's going to have your project data in this section here, essentially what you've requested for us to go and create for you. And then you're going to have at the very bottom here a link to your ad in which you'll have created by us. And any revisions you can just request within the chat underneath that product as well. Finally, taking a look at active subscriptions, it's super simple to track your subscriptions. Just down below here, in which you can upgrade to a higher plan if that's something that you find that you need more creative for, or reduce your plan as well to a lower plan if you find that you need less creative as well. But it's very simple to maintain in this section here. So moving on to creative requests and exactly how to go about making those creative requests. It's very, very simple. You just click on this camera button with the plus on the side here. Click on creative requests, and within here you're going to be able to take a look at exactly how many active requests you have and also how many requests you have remaining based on your plan. So if you have an unlimited plan, obviously you're unlimited in the requests that you have per month. But for example, if you're on this growth plan, for example, you are limited by the number of requests that you can otherwise put in. So ultimately all you have to do is select the plan that you want to essentially get the request through, and then you click creative request. So once you've clicked on creative request, it's going to take you to this page here. So you're going to have the creative title in which you can ultimately add a title to your ad. The next step is taking a look at whether you want an unboxing, an informational type video, a video that more so just packs a punch, or a video that showcases your product as well. We have varying lengths from 10 to 60 seconds, different aspect ratios. We offer multiple different languages as well. And then taking a look at your product name as well. It's just an easier way for us to find your product. And then brand name, what your brand is, a link to the product as well, enabling us to find the correct videos for you really easily. And then key features to be shown in the ads. If you can find specific videos that you really like, that you essentially want us to create upon, that's something that we can essentially help you with. If it's a specific format that you're otherwise looking for, you can put it in here. And then if you're looking for any text within the video, you can add this text in here, as well as any additional notes or anything that we need to know too. And then if you're looking for a custom watermark, so a logo to add to your video as well, that's something that we can also offer you as well. So take as much time as you possibly can to fill out this form, as it's going to be the basis of your ad. And once everything's been put in, you'll have a review section that looks just like this, in which you can review all the details you've put in and then click here to start your order, and it will send it through to us. And just like that, we are back to the beginning again. And then from here, you'll be able to track your order in this status column here, waiting on it to get that complete badge that we like to see, and you'll be able to find your product just by clicking this link over here. It's super simple, super straightforward, but if you have any issues at all, feel free to click this box over here and you can contact support. As I said, free 24/7. Even personally, we will be reaching out and supporting you ourselves also. Also, within the top left, you'll be able to see our Discord community. Feel free to join that. In that Discord community, we'll be discussing everything e-commerce related, may that be high performing ads, Facebook, TikTok, email marketing, CRO, absolutely everything that will enable you to help scale your business and scale it profitably. Those will be the discussions within that Discord. And we want to make sure that that is a place that is really, really safe for people to go to with their problems, to help scale their brands and to help them generate the money that they've been looking for online. So feel free to join that as well. Super easy in the top left-hand corner. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you found value from this how-to video on how to use the VidX platform. If you have anything else that you want me to cover, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll try and make a super concise video going over exactly how to make this platform work for you. We are VidX. We create high-performing video ad content for e-com and dropshipping stores, and you can try us out completely for free by clicking the link below to get a free ad creative